In this video, we will take a look at few examples of functions. This is the second part of the series, Functions.
Now let us start with example 1. Here the set x consists of the elements 2, 4, 6, 9 and set y is equal to 5, 7, 9, 12. And R is a relation from x to y given by R is equal to set of all ordered pairs x, y such that y is equal to x plus 3 where x belongs to x and y belongs to y. That is, here R is in the set builder form. So this relation can also be described in the roster form as follows. A visual representation of this relation R in the form of an arrow diagram is as follows. First, we have to draw the Venn diagrams representing the sets x and y, one opposite to other. Then we have to draw arrows from first components to the second components of all ordered pairs belonging to the relation. Here the relation is y is equal to x plus 3. So 2 will be mapped to 5, 4 to 7, 6 to 9 and 9 to 12. Now let us see whether this relation is a function or not. For that, we first need to understand what is a function.
In the previous video, we have learned about functions. You can find its link in the description or comments.
Here you can see the domain is a set 2, 4, 6, 9 and the range is a set 5, 7, 9, 12. If you take a look on this, you will notice that the domain set is nothing but the set X itself, and no two distinct ordered pairs in this relation have the same first element. So this relation is a function. Now in example 2, x and y are the same sets as in the previous example. But there is a change in the relation. Here the relation R is equal to set of all xy such that y is a multiple of x where x belongs to x and y belongs to y. And its roster form is as follows. These are the Venn diagrams representing x and y. So according to the relation, 2, 4, 6 are mapped to 12 and 9 to 9. Here the elements 7 and 5 don't have any pre-image. The domain set is 2, 4, 6, 9 and the range set is 9, 12. Since the condition to be a function is satisfied here, we can say that this relation is a function. Let us go to example 3. Here set x is equal to 2, 4, 6, 9 and set y is equal to 5, 7, 12. And the relation is same as the previous example. On proceeding, we can map 2, 4, 6 to 12, but the element 9 doesn't have any image. So it is clear that this relation is not a function. This is the last example. Here we have different sets with the same relation. Now if you map the elements with respect to the relation, all the elements in X are having images in Y. But if you observe, you can see that the element 3 has more than one image. Therefore, this relation is not a function.
Now in the next video, we'll be learning more about functions with the example of few graphs.